Guy Hector Mano.
Minia.
Brahma Wahamo Aquaba.
Mejoso.
Bibi Aboko de.
Yamiadum Bibi Aboko.
Yeah, you know what to say.
Oh, Yamiadum Bibi Aboko, ya papa.
On say she has seen a BD and common ya Musana Sia, a ben from Soho.
And ye cry.
On one is so more. Yes, we just for cry. See, you need your home, no more worry free.
Black.
They forgot time on our journey. Last week, as I said, Mokaya, Ukwada say, Obama didn't come over about events happening here in Kumasi and how best we can help promote it. Also, the Hunkomu church events be personally or man approaching, and the Omo approaching in Puna, who say is about the city. It is worth talking about. Ne yebedi Hunkomo. Bra, now trusting any share. How has your week been? How was the weekend in general? How has it been?
First of all, Mechia Opemsuo, Mechia Santa Maria. Opemsuo ni Kumasi. You know they are when YouTube me again.
Nice one.
Onananum. Yes, so me near the Chiakesi air mount. Me di Mechia Santa Maria so. Mechia obi bia oti Opemsuo radio summary. This weekend, na say weekend here you try me. Na Kumasi aye the papa e buy a pepe ne ya e pe baby tina kakra and na say Valentine weekend. We were so privileged seeing Valentine every weekend chese adofo be share ni mu ade bebrebe. There were so many events in town. To me, if I'm rating what happened over the weekend, probably it might be a 7/10.
Okay. Per the order when you hear per amount for posting so we any the wawa 10 db no. You'd give overall 7/10.
Yes. Overall 7/10. Normally unyani 10/10 because there are benya problems kakra ne ade.
Okay.
But Osha, almost every restaurant, every hangout, every lounge organized something. I have vows day, Osha rich condos, ne pine, Obia, O's Gardens, Banas born a live band. Just say the Opebiano Osha dear now called the Enclave, Obia AQ3. In all, it wasn't like something I basically focused on one type of event.
And biaba could be na yes, yeah, you ready to be amraho.
Brother man, boss, over wedding Kakano Beto, Mabna Mo Patasi, Ubicama Befaran about Ubana plus 2 Sujinem, Ubun Safa left a rich conduit jam, Ubakan about highlight or fire highlighting Jesse, Swami in bistro Subi. May Papa be walk crew from beyond 50 honor motor and on a madrid master so almost a year or Valentine's Day, who I say. Oh my man, a boho no man, you had a valid anyone area. But I may come and say, oh, yeah, I didn't know be no. There be a percent and a half one bra. Who's way have 1% more Germany. Yeah, do something that would suit them. I bit my cabo, my G and Kama. In all, no, it was a great experience last weekend. Yeah, and a high and a Kotoko in a story. Oh, on the card, then Coseno. Oh, but here we Sunday. Miss, oh, dear. Honorable boy me defeated you there two boss who can say mama come here be kai me let's look at the activities, especially the oba ha o kan ho asem ye bo ho asem bo on the road kakra di ho komo na edi ho komo if one minim say video na you ready first of all Opemsuo 104.7 na ye wo the Enclave Kenya si truba Kudi Jumaka or Val's Day, the Adrenaline and Affection Valentine's Day expedition. We had a lot of people coming there. We be a bad and FN said ye kind and Uncle Busia, nay adofo. Ain't he won't adofo being a couldn't queer Ebimu came in their red. I was happy about it when I saw one of them. It been so bad personally. And Baba enjoy it. Overall, a year of it today. I think people got the excitement, people got the adventure, just as Hector Kai, beyond baby or the na air, we add an adventure to your love life. And I know baby, I am cotton baby, baby no monsa. True by the Enclave, say adventure never oko fro oko ye we intinye bia kase oko the alcohol oko numbi na debi. We added that twist to it during these vows and other activities. Guy, mama ho. Meaning which of the events personally you attended that opposite at the Bechasi? Come Kaisa can one some about you near Basa Mamumi maybe in the shop. Yes. Groups in Soweto can one some. Yes. Also Greenwood events about Dobe events, Yes. O can one some. and I watch a brand here and so can one sem.
Yes.
Meaning say rich condos they say okay one sem. 80 minim yam fan mako him fan our be shall say.
You be shall say I be shall say free the enclave. True, okay. But the course we all no. It was a great experience. And anybody be senior hotel no any the activities that goes on there.
Yeah.
And normally me you better tell work akrabe here there no. Anybody by 1, 2, 3, 4. But with this thing on me, I sure will be I say and I say me encourage it. Meaning so as time goes on, you benya the masses moving there to experience the place.
Yeah.
Where there be a young any party. Yes, sir. We ease up and all that, but sometimes you need amount for far plane ticket, go Dubai, go experience these things, the tourist attractions, go Morocco, go South Africa, or go all these places just to experience these things. And then most of people see this waterfall at Mampong.
As Odinvi as who say
And Mampong indigenous people say I order that because you know because waterfall and energy.
Yeah.
But a quite ben here
faso
amani password who say it here.
Yeah.
First, now quite so one was just this small river behind and it's what can be near Ibi was what. I don't know what is happening over there now. But with these ones, no, black Emmy the same way this thing. Yes, so many na yem pushing.
Yeah.
And Oko first one here, I call the enclave. I feel posting seba. No be a busane here. Easter ebesako.
Yeah. Easter day we are planning of a bigger event.
Yeah, Easter.
The artists bebani amount for bebana because aside activities, adventure, as I've been saying, Omechi they have a honor next receipt. They have more of like an event space kakraka. I bet how funny part 3,000. Yes.
Because the more away you know. Recently, me Kumasi as Mr. Kobe, Rich Condos Barbershop.
Okay.
Oko Laboma one other new mother. But on no a beachfront where in India low and near it's the same way as some these things opportunities there. Almost Papa support
investment.
They're putting money because and now I'm so happy about the East Legon Executive Club members. Every weekend we omo kroma omo be and imagine to be mabinka. So first one Accra.
Yeah.
But nana from no din komo any tin what you say. Mama sant mine yam.
Yeah.
And they are improving the place. We share from rich condos so choko nyina buildings in your mom putting it up. And in your mom we Kumasi. In the end is na ye nyina so me ni je de one and one. Yeah, can you Abadob Mo program? That was the biggest bear sheet food and coal festival.
Okay.
It was the maiden edition.
All call home Tina Mami Musa say, I don't know whether you were part of them as organizers or not. What was the concept of Adini Nina? Na ye say we waji din ti omo ba na be hwe mani mako. And I say ye be bonyo cause me who that musical aspect of it no. Yes. But the whole concept na ye dem boy.
The whole concept was about bed sheets and food. It was basically like a festival, a sales thing.
Okay.
But omo image na omo wa bonteno because honestly, okana my main platform and beka wasan kakawa. No radio station talked about it. No one.
Yeah.
Maybe me omo here and so because no so it's basically like almost the first time.
Yeah. It has they wanted to test the water.
Yes. And omo somebody the new media na omo ankasa image na dia baba ya den. And it was more than successful. Ye nyina ye kabo omo boa omo ji omo feso. And asantima so ji omo feso ma na ye. O hwe Saturday no. Ye ko nipa ba na Sunday ne de. Na Sunday akoto ya she koto kwa asela answer de na chese.
Nipa da so gumu de.
It was a massive one, and there will be honestly me I would want to praise all the bloggers because me crowd more banner me omudi na me see me na so kakra. It was a few people, but obia by be support here be putting in effort. E ma ye nyina ye mani efe. Saturday videos e kwa bonten and the nipa ba Sunday. There be ameka me say o fan say media na ye no enye bibia na mo ahwe na say nkofa hwe ma na esukota phones kwa. I'll tell you 70% of the people who were there on Sunday saw what happened on Saturday and felt like, whoa, we should have been there on Saturday. So you had a chance to be there on Sunday. Let's all go and support. And it was massive.
Me the way I'm fatu hona me the busa way say just like we have the Kumasi City Mall. After its opening, no complaints are near fancy free or ma kwaje stores wo hone say be honest amount for ba ho ba yentade amount for baby twamfoni no mako with this bed sheets food and cool no as you said event at the ton nioma tonsils, ye. Aside people trooping in there in their numbers, no patronage of items or goods that were on display to be sold, and so I was saying, did they have
normally
what they expected?
They appreciate too, as somebody might not be getting it. White scoop ne, ujine. At the end of the day, and it's not just about self-finance. Nipa ban, why a man? No, or be investing in people who took spaces near the end. What did they get? That is one problem with sales in Kumasi. Yeah, bomb pie say with time you better say. In the morning it was about sales because me queues were there for the bed sheets.
Yeah.
Food for your musica, the bed sheet. But there were other products now may wonder. Sometimes you can't say sometimes you go out some do music more back. Media me imagine.
That's why I bet just stand say over ton idea. But per what you saw, no, you felt
me who say because on the first side no food and beverages. What do you want first come? Nipa be a bread, obeton show, obeton cocktail kakra, baby can, obe no ban so any boy be to be kakra. Abado peduani, chese ojina so sa. Na the OJ stand is all ton a dru's way. The OJ stand is all ton shirts we want to go. What you say? And no sometimes and I may bomb pie say with upcoming sales near the no. Omuma they didn't call on team be obi opposite otade. Now there's going to be an event we are messing and kidding kakra. Just say you should put out the information people
regarding Jumana will be
yes, it's not just about Onkwano.
Yeah.
Oh, but Tom Wadi and if you nipa na so man stand now G Nisikano. They are not so free. In all this one it was because say events of course you man 7/10. May not be problem kakra with some of the places no. Obi o ha space. And call senior no. The next time we friend cry but food and beverages Quatmano and Abano or more imagining or more dear Quatmano with almost 2 trucks fully in answer.
Wow.
What you say? Now the OJ shirt and auto na me cry minim na man can stand on this way.
Guy, yeah identify ni say na a major player in Sanyoma we no. Yeah boss will say na pese ye nyina ye possible solutions. Do you think say yen call for such events yen psyche home from ye fee na yen koye and I say you feel say be omo call for such events no mo psyche omo say me kwa koto ade na ebi obedru ho na ebi abo na edede da so no. What do you think is the problem and what do you think the solution that we can bring? But as you said say me ko ba bia na me nkoto hwe kra na inskom dem ya meto nsu anom meto drink anom tie no de e hye yitrim but say me ko bia ye ton ade me na me inside ke me ho anase omo wo ho no nso no ma amfa ne say omo just standing ti bia me de bo bia to so na products are per wo hu no ho no ni nyina were they suitable for such an event because once okay ye event a fair prince mo KUST fui even mo ne bloggers mo na wo ko fine fan say o ton yo be na say wo ton apawa sapriwa o ton instruments o ton dotitidie ya omuhu bi krada enti ombeto. So what do you really think is a year bit me akeve saade no?
I think said the rubon hu ya papa said them making we dem ya na nipa ne om eso mu dru kuma star mu dru ye be form a free airport do meba. There is no traditional media om koso.
Yeah.
Me kwa na mebo hu de ru kakra kra me sra kakra na eja o ma me kan wasem kakra. But what oji ade na so be bibisa Mother running quabontin, yeah, pessy a besano beba besa. Yeah, pessy a bebo drink and a boy a drink. Do a person of Todd ye been soon one. Eh, and a comes on betona. And to me, the enemy for sales, say, yes, sales are a broche, dear Titian, Ocas on Tide Marcos and may train sales.
Yeah,
Titi Bonus, we say.
That's the mindset. Yeah, that's the mindset.
I sales no more, or some stand. And I was a my book and the nipa by. Sales na sales ni chese ene transport money emrawe enti wada we be sell mu nyina de wo boni nkwachi ena omo so omo ya de ni say sales ni adwene ni say sales no be chiti odi bai watiti su say hu obi etobi ba wo de no metwase wage stand e bia wa nke other cost obe free shop obe fa nipa fo from ma be boa but tete ni o ma ne so because it is boka.
Yeah.
But the sales is basically about Sadia.
Yeah.
It me ba ona me kuta me 100 bi kra na. Me to me drink aka me to bibi 40 60. But me ba ade am nim say wo krom kra 70. Me ba house ene dey all go 200 because oswa boka. Say me that kind of shema ko bofu.
The whole concept about it being sales no. Enye no na ye
practice.
yeah, other events. Summer moment.
Yes.
And so be a shop or I know say you also played an active role in it. But quick one said you're okay. I am born home there no. 6 match. Don't call me PUBG. Any event be na or Sunday man me post here. And lady be all my snap contact. Yeah, not test you. I'll be there. I would have a stand there. Until I come to my stand. Said you're okay.
Yes.
No ne jumedi no.
Oba hu there.
Wakwaje stand so o ka kire me say obe wo ho. Ohun se me de ato ho na. I feel as he said, mo amonso amode mo ade e ba ho.
No.
Yes.
Obi crabage ma fra obi a Hector. Ade a mo ye na nsen yan. Kwatma mo na fa me, aba mo na fra me. But there's this lady Lian Oton cocktail. No I sending them because unso mo ye image mo ye mo flyers no. Na image no that so hu e bi a chef Clemsy.
Yeah.
Ajua pretty. Omo de ma obi ase mo am go ton ade no.
Yeah, musumo shema mo.
Yes, it's not just about your faces
yeah.
no. But musumo ton ade no musumo fa ma mo nkofo na mo nkofo so obi oto ade bi anim say ene de also sales. Enti o better so. Oh, enti omo aso there don't come here okay. PUBG have framed me so many times. Na o tie wa adwene ye be ni say na be frame me ye nya ni say. Ye mo hu de ro say. Ye ni say mama okay after me yan. Ye mbra studios ye nshia. He is trying to put the people on. Yes, or ji music and nko. Or say make sure say adina mo ye no. Mo benya so mfa so. Ojas enti de wo no hu ya pa. Ena ne no mo ye no mo aso like omo ma ne ma ne bo no. Wo de say on te so kra. Jina ba bia uja na wo store na ye ba ho na. Ye ba betobi.
Yeah.
And also ebe bo ayi nyina ma bibia.
I think that in due time here we will be talking more about PUBG DNA Basono because you know that he's been doing several events of this nature. And he don't come in there, we would all do our best to also talk about it. Some at the end it was a shop opening.
Yes.
And I saw the regional minister himself in attendance and
the mayor was there, the regional minister. Just it was
Family Mukaka.
You know, some are moving a Leo GH our Accra. Now also was just saying any pub buy supporting Accra. Even people are buying from Leo GH in Accra near the Ama delivery. Abakumasi. Into a general one was I mean I'm there be almost supporting many ideas. I didn't make many acquaintance bia. Me may be saying one. And I was so happy about we see Santis hair so. Santis na manage BBI, she BB call radio idea. Now mo say the mayor and the Ashanti regional minister no to do money munyam better. And one thing that there make can say there be a obi ye BBI the first to do BBI the who be before SG more our horse make SG more kwa jimeni nkwa.
Yeah.
That means SG more was shops to say opaki collection. They have wide range of
Ohinere shop or here.
Just say
Ohinere shop or beautiful.
That was my first time I mean SG more because me kwa no munyanche program mas Nigeria. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
One day, one musha bibi o dia fa koto ade en call your GH won kwanya no kwa advert number. Let's experience the place. Kumasi na yet no hu bibi na wo me da bia meka. Otu area kana be say bibi cause senya amenka say support no. But to bo bit ma fa what to bibi ade o cross bit ma tunifo no aboa no. That is how we all support. And the krokro baby obrocha or to county and or to area bia. Policeman could be on tree to that. I'm family. We shall no abuano, we shall no abuano. San yin bit matter mana efe.
And also patronage, how was it like? I said me add the way home come because it's about someone who has her business outside Yenye City Kumasi. Yes. And or the be baha because of infant said the who ya na the ote on the socials and the media. And that will be an basically a cherewo. Se nipa any beje ho ana nipa ni je ho. Do you think people that show that people that bought items on that day, encourage them search other shops or other edifices here in the city, no?
And no be now kind first about your malls, no. Omubia, you say China more na ejini because omu dey omu adia and omu tetene omu so na omu si ono. Yes, you have no boy dey beto super square dey and dey. Any pa onyoma bebrebe bi o wa egu. The shops are not operating.
Yeah.
Waje SG more price ni be cost so e bia oton. First day dey ubia minister nyina ba mayor ba Kumasi bia ne seso fo bebre ne ba ya o ma ba be boa no. But actually no it is saying ne ho da ubo ne te saying. Eni o ma ne boa no e ye saying. Se me mfa ho a mete one dance here wo he fa biem na che say ade e mi pe bia menya bi wo ho. Me ko no ton we wo ho. me that is one of my problems. Adeɛ na wo yɛ no oboka da bia me kama adeɛ me dwo bia o se me dwuma ntina me bɔ wo wa boka yɛ wedding me de no yɛ mfato kakra bi wa fa de kwa afa aduane afa bibia de oba betwa adeɛ na obɛbɔ wo daru na ma no ɔno no problem ɔno na pɛ sɛ ɔsɛ no yɛ ni free na de ko 40,000 no de ad na ofa nye on kan so so wo hye nkonwa ni sa
na me ka say new media de mo de ana mo face sa o
ye de ne kwa na mo kwa na mo bre na ye
we say
ye de so mo so de phone keke
we
me
say o ka onya ka kire na o de ne the lowest so but still mo be ye o de ba am like de ko no wi am fan ko view
yes
de be wo de be kai say wo bo de ko ye mfonyini na obi twa ma o ma de ato ho no
sama bia wie ye be de hu kra say de one thing is our weekend no obe da tibim ni nyina ye da wo eti ne wo mo no traditional media new media fetija ne mo ho daru eso wo dwene ho na da bia na meka ko tua say for na Coca-Cola ni Guinness da so ya advert omo wane nim Coca-Cola wane nim Guinness
Pepsi that's got us ya
MTN or ya advert da bia da so se ne message ya papa tia ne kwene me dwe mani ya kaka se bia se ni miska meka ko save and grow with MTN by this time eso or ya advert
omo sponsored one be on Facebook Black Sheriff na ka se bi o kwa boza abam anamo so kwa dey
they understand what they are doing. They know the impact. They know what advertisement does for them. I didn't know be an affair. Why are they? Obo mo de waja wako obeba de bia ba be hwa for shop ni yati ase shop ni bi mpepem de bia bo ho de hu.
No be
so. Me meto adwuma, me de adwuma nya me nkwa me de enti. Fetija.
Yeah.
E kwam bia first one ze be bo obi and add Wednesday. Amam for ton de bia omo de send me Mr. Kobe, rich kono say nya na no bi bo on de hu.
Yeah.
Eso opa ma me post ad when Hector na me hu na ni gin adwuma na o na ni abre ho so o ye adwuma what you say Oz Gardens the beer was o tieska o yiska there toward their advert they are investing and they will reap it I didn't wo ye no bon wo da ro
na obi so
yes and na obi shop ni sa na o ja na wo dia na me a me se me tie eji mo de me mu nyina me fa shops ni mu da
Oh,
senior.
13th of February, in Fiada, a day before Val's Day in Ankas, and they had an event there. Omo hosti, I think Kwabna, Jackie, Kumo also they had an event there, which was nice. But before we come quickly, PUBG, yeah, cause we better test ya or Hector, say solid. Or my emoji no. And I mean, we making this mega senior and say solid. Let's do this for the city. So I say no kind of let's do this for the city.
They say me did free. I'm a fair duma. Me did me bomb money. Or do credit me blender. No did me G. Tabaji blender. And 20 years is same. Hey, depending on the effort you are putting.
Yes.
Always on your selfish.
Yes.
Say yes, can I keep Granny? Yes, can I keep big Granny?
From some man cry.
Nana. Obi to me. Me and me senior man over the beyond me contoka. The beyond me miracle. Over wise is trying to. Your man for money job because just only say yeah kwa enye nkwa na ebeti ma ya man for musu put in effort ba mu me nyina yen ka mom ne enye adwuma ya wo ye black o chese o team ne adwuma mo ye I've been working with Opemsuo ne mu twa videos ne mu coverages of funerals ne ade obi enhu ana ne age ho obi ba be ka Jesus ya se nkwa akra be more times 10 uzika no so I always respect Bright Kankam Bodu watena kromaji best sports show host of the nation wa gene back to just or gene as we be what to groma a man for channel best in the cause o there be better me kro no my mo bete enka ye be ya mana ye enti yeso kan bi bi won yeso yeso mo kaka ne de ya adwene kakra bi no
fa ho a
ye ntus kan ifo de but ye kakra bi na eja omo so ati ama ye omo da roma na ye fe
at least minim say e be wo trimu bi one but practically we've talked about the day events that happen here in Kumasi. Minim say of here the be wo timan and you go into the 9th event that went on.
Yes, I think say Salma dia no and I call Kumasi prisons.
Yeah. Even we saw say videos no half a bit so na for
Kumasi prisons. Abrantia no me born about so na me born paya man.
Yeah.
Ko pon to ne nkwam. Say ye nyina e kwakwaje ani me frɛ me yire na me yire na ye dwene me yire ho na obi so dwene prisoners ho. Over 2,200 people to be fed on that day. Not just say, na me raw na was here. Obi wa prisoner ye sign. Na me camera with some kakrebi. My brand tell you me krum. oh yeah kaka
even Brazil mama we
court assembly make one say me baby because me nim one say na me real no be frame o machi me di pa ye ima to ye koyima go no free me kro me crash into no
prison was them na okay
senior koyima ofayima adi de me anya na me say Hector na me nemu na obi boy Hector me twa me na ya brante no ho na me fa me phone na me ko na me frame me antam me hu abrante we wa na di asem so asem say na tu no kafra oba kurasi achenti unim na mo kan ya na chise de kotum o me hu me dia me rawo
pa
edi one e be kwa hwe no because ono me see abrante me nyini so obi a ho no ma me na na manso kwantan ma waka ne baby no ansana e di na nanya ko abreska eba no ono e na hwe abrante no abuabu ne kakra na sebi o free mu enti atmuka mi se na adwene kakra me se me hu abrante na je se me ra hu me hu fi me ka che mu
ona ma se o me hu ni pa bi ani ho fa ho
2002 na wa mu ni pa obi to area ebi a sign ebi a kabi ebi a sem ya went man chemu ye enti na ye mani je se abrante no yes Mr. Pius high school old student ti me fa we to na ho so e ko ho ko sha o mu eni o mu didi nkomo na o ko de e fe emrante yo mu free conti
ni jaje ze o kan hu
yes and omu yama ni e fe be chi emrante na ni chese and the people they will be so much motivated say who prison who conti for ya say be to wo mu boka hu na o ma yo mu now nim say these are university students just like say won ka bet my say bi o and e bia na ma boni kakra bi na bia sign bi na say wanya ni ye ntina akopi on so when they saw these guys they were so happy because they feel like we mu ye hunipa but you know say hey okoteko because every time can you in school na say nyame adom mu abi esa yen ko ne sa o early 2000 2 years ko bet na fie 2 years
and then what you to
as all university na no kwa ni pa sign e fa and the private universities near the aba and obi win university near when say university no enye no ma
and you'll be surprised to know say some of these inmates are graduates just like
yes they are doctors they are politicians now politicians no we are no we are chom no we
e ho abi no mo ko
yes they are doctors are or coach form kakra bi ko pa obi ani so onya problem even there is a police officer there is a point in time I'm from some major maduano no obusa say police you know anyway my dinam de maso tie kakra. And there's this beautiful thing. There was a band. It may me camera me say me boy me go try no say me patch on timi ntwa o manim. And him they say him dey twa.
So band for there and
was in there be omo ye inmates.
Wow.
Prisons no, they omo ye bia prisoners. Apart from officers no one more, they omo ye bia inmates.
So they even have a prison band in there.
Yes,
which
a prison band
of inmates. No?
A prison soccer team, a volleyball team, chess bia omo ye welders. Because prison for near mom, or music and any mom cry extra. And so manage prison, our crewman. No one, any many beyond she show one, and Robu, no more so my dear. And I better be afraid, come to the from Jamana.
So I think it justifies why or how boons or money na mabontin. I know monam qua.
Debbie, do any miano. Young Cophobios were they are good, say, on what year you may be a prisoners. Menshia. Per se obi hu da bia na menshia prison for no ene nam no mo ye adwuma bi o pia bonte obi ma ne kakra ade na hoye ne scan ke de be mo bu for ne de amo mo so ye de abo mo ho bra ho no it is a way I dey bo am na branty watch branty call over 2,200 people on in the ire and in the workers and in nam for kakra kabom and the welfare and penifo more prison service Kumasi prison e honom no eso boaye eji omo feso the 2IC obia eboama ne ye fefefe on that day na made me abaso body na se me mo me boam abaso pass ye kontifo no yes the morale how they welcome the people and mo muzo mo ye omo de na manje no baby omo bia omo so mesabi inmate no me say we ye nua mo pa o omo che show omo tops ne ade aje say for some reason they are smiling because na omo wade bi wo time bi on say so bro maduane na ye bibi say for obia ma me because there are people me nipa na so film ko me say obia film no me free one sana me call him out na kokasa no say on so kronti asem say enti e be bibi e be yaman every time obi nka say yes so boni so obi call no manager say we condemned obia everybody needs a chance
obi call one ma wonya hearing impo
Yes.
so I bonny allegedly.
Or the remand is ano. Yes. That's what
that was 10 years. You can't answer him.
Oh, ain't I just say any pen yamwa, yenina yamwa. Into watch up and we say yami shamano. I did the 4 year free continue for the crack count. So I did the crowd boys no crack count to make the people feel say you are one of us.
Not just come serve the food and go, but here for that enjoyment and count.
Boy me watch me check a crowd boy me watch kakana jam boy me you kakana jawulma.
Yeah, mother yard. Soweto groups in Soweto.
Yes.
And so bad. So who were the organizers? How did the event go?
Organizers need here. They say they need na Abema Bodukwan.
Okay.
And the Bodukwan team.
Yeah.
Omuna Shema BBI course. Now this is their second edition, and it was a beautiful experience. Utie Dina a groups in Soweto. Naga Kumasi they had. I want you about it. You there Soweto fire home. So it was a themed party. I say yeah, kono the piano way.
Yeah.
Say yeah, Ghana piano, Mama piano, Niger piano, everything that comes with that sound now. Otieno, and it was a beautiful experience. Oluma mi chini Saturday ne kakra is a menite ya me kono. And parties e wo kroma de. You starting it 2 ahomache. Mu nyina amada no. Ne ya sorry. Na me ko dru wonom na chese enipa se me ye mistake aka ka minya baby minya mungura. Why ye ma?
Yeah.
And it was so beautiful at the point I don't more chebodu kwan nyina wo inside.
Yeah, the drinks no.
Yes. Na ye nyina babaji any DJs, MCs, Bibia was in place, security, everything was on point. Me wo issue kakra about such events.
Okay.
Me no mudin komo aye hwese ye nyina be boa ma na ye. We are overpricing our drinks at events. The table culture is a culture we need. And nothing I remember Soweto for abaso no.
Yeah.
Ye table culture no, but Soweto every ni nyina ye bia to. I would board the yard for abaso on that. And on my jar and chain say any day table. So be so konako. But the table culture, a good events in our city, a good events in Ghana. 30 December near the table culture a good.
Okay.
Obi on ma, yes, I quite Africa the flex. O fair about so me and G and Kakra. Now beto table.
Vegetable.
Why you the table near? And you go to do a restaurant, pine or a year be a Kelite be a metropolitan be a young coffee. Me see a G and ye cosa, ye be club. Even now the clubs is table sessions.
Yeah.
You go care of you, not table be any care of you. I can tell you today, there was no table back in the days 2005, 2006, 2007. Care of you night club. Table nisi, foxtrot table nisi. The inside there was to say Cafe Maserati.
Vienna,
not table never here. Yet to say, and you know why a dim, what person will pick a crumbles and mujiska. But Mamma for born in cost and say here about 10,005, no, then I'm 5,000.
only there. My reservations there, but they come in that Kumasi feel so. It's within the guy need.
And you're fire.
Oh, any guy needing come.
And to me, so the only say, I could be diplomatic because you will be. It must be. But table culture is beautiful. Obi person we yan session kakra, edwen na kakra ni nuamu bi etena so kakra. Find the other cocktail tables they say no dey egumu sa. Ye nyina etiase. But the pricing of the drinks. Table no so the man no. What is special about it? Usher the people in, let them feel special.
Yeah.
Say security can obi jan in because obi man who me piano me na idea. Let's see those things in action. Oto table na is 10,000. Oko 10,000 in some for abisu anim. Enu ano no.
Obi anfa ho bi.
Odo ye dey. Table no kan obi abe gina so kro
Open glass kra no nya.
Now wait and confuse bi. Yes, senipa border ro senipa mra meji omani. But mo me hwe sa na omani so yie pa. Mama yen say you from one no ba ni eja ni sa.
Yemrane ko na as you said o say obeye na we talking about an event be intime be ma kwan na ode anu awiam, but before that man Carter event and so the Jumedi be baso.
Yes.
Senior man Carter o say Easter with Carter 2026. Ho hyehyeye ho de ubo no afei na senior man de boss anticipate. Enti chairman man Carter anticipate train Easter with Catherine and so Basso 2026 edition. Tiff was a unko be that last year. Mankata had an event at Flow Event Center. Yeah, I call Okuhui been there. You could see how vibrant it was. In the Mankata event present Easter with Catherine 2026. and also baswa in I hear any more say even who details near did the home comokaka guy. From camp, from the information you give out, from how I will post things, so they are there to where people have been commenting under it, what they like, and so you don't just post, you give explanations, you give reasons, and then all that, you know. Mamintio na yem fan sorry.
First of all, me na say kakra be ma nipa bi obo kroma omo bo ama weekend we ye de kroma no. MC portfolio. And this guy called Little or a DJ.
Okay.
Most events, people say MC is gusu bebe, DJ is gusu bebe. The boy called Little. Oma me she me need to saw my number. But say about the program now one DJ. A ball from Saturday ball Sunday throughout. A many penny J and MC portfolio. Honestly, my portfolio any the Juma any But make my say Saturday Sunday was all about portfolio. Yeah. China Senna any K Black ever saw portfolio. He did a great job. YP. That's why who said the ebe was so Kumasi bia die. Say Obama is ka obe friend or to say then ko oba support. Okay, so one eba beta omachi. We want to show appreciation. Say almost so ye man ye fe. Ema ade no eye de. And there is this lady in town. Or the engofo bi ba sign as engofo na say me the omo call number 5. Sebi adre kakra kabina
na omushi nipa
na kono share black nim gorilla nim dem say me hu na me amani ska kakra yes sad you share black nim
oya man efe
so beautiful what I say you from the after groove on social media okay the omni abado bo a wo share dia live now in it is a beautiful experience. That is what I'm talking about. Give them some different vibe.
Something that they will leave the place and still talk about it.
Me say gorilla and Osha Black in the same show. Oh, I'm the after groove. They say Omu Kumasi. Okosho social media, Instagram and TikTok. Just hit them up. They'll come and spice up whatever you are doing. Now, event I make us boss Kakrano, a guy at 40.
Okay.
You bizarre guy for just now they will do 40 of observation now will be a one.
Because there's a guy being at 40.
A guy Hector at 40.
That's nice.
Yes.
Bravo anymore.
40 years. Is he a And now what the 40 years? Yes.
Yes.
On the 9th of March, my birthday, but there is a weekend before it.
Okay.
The idea about PUBG. Says 6th of March, no. You beji any Greenwood Event Center. Don't call me. Don't come near Atene Omaso.
Yeah.
We are on the 7th inside Milan. A celebration. Yeah, Baba G any. Well, name me what myself damn we are he myself, Brandy and Sanji and Kambum. What you say? 40 years, someone is out there, someone is dead. I had mates who are no more.
Yeah.
Obisina quite on Kwasoi to Wasi, Yabeko Power Chapel on a Sunday.
Okay.
But the Saturday night you ran dear. Yeah, she be shy only Milan. Wadaroma, Intina the air ban on that is the event upcoming. I mean, say with time you video come up, but not exclusively. I had to put it out over here on Opemsuo 104.7.
Yes. I think guy at 70 is something.
Guy at 48, Tobo not
guy
70
guy at 40 is something. I was say not just about say guy Hector at the 40 years.
No.
And you say nya hote. What is me can be an enye say minimum about knowing someone Jumedia ni pakrodi na who achieve such a year in life no one kwa wan hoden.
Yes.
The empire ni ebebo asere se nyame ma o more.
Oh yes.
Na the good thing in you no it
guy 70 no baby.
Oh mi jina
no aka 30 years.
Say na me we fomu nti wo ko na me de wachi I know guy Hector at 40. O say you be 6 match no don't go
PUBG don't go.
You be di hon komo aka manako animu.
Yes. Na 7th
match no.
Na nyumre no e wo Milan.
Yeah.
Ya ji eni ama de ache me white me ko na me iri ato so ma me fa na me ko Power Chapel.
O je wa de.
Yes. Na ja. Ya kwa akode nya me so ase.
Yeah.
E wo enkwa ni animonyam se ne o ma ye rubber bia ni hu ya che se yesu ye bibi de boa.
Yeah.
Obi we se na de enkwa na nyame ama yenkwa ayeda so tiase na ye som asanteman ni ye som Ghana ne de ye nije mema ye nyina timini minu amone madofo ye nyina ye be hihia last year ye which was sponsored by Guinness for products, Red Label, good le boy nyina me no be ji wani a tu ska gu mi so a enya hote e ni je obi tu ska gu so a to bua na amanfo ntiase enya se enemafo abai na omo wie ska no go mbutuma or this kind of amount but or they show when munyam wo kwan we so say it is a way of me just say it is basically like a black culture thing blacks na e broni on to ska gu bia so ba ye de ne nkwa de enye broni na de ba na o ya broni ade we de fo it is a way how they show appreciation how they show love kwa yes bonity obi ya de na e offend to this kind of bonity enye ne bone so ye nyina ye de je ye ni e ma na ye fe into on the 7th of March inside Milan na nyumre no ye bekwa kwa je ye ni ye wi ani akode nyame ase
Matiga Hector, but that's so bad, but Oba ya di nkomo. Guy Hector 40 is coming on with other event baso. Na isi na madwen baso say you are live on TikTok. Ho the power. But who is that cat mo? Asie ne amanfo asie. So age ni the football age. Once I watch a brand theater so 43 the football age.
No, do you who's ready for jamba? Ulma eja. Kakra ye sumna. Ejuma na e woman into. You have to mingle, you have to be like that. Na I know be a bomb na efe. Miss me the Opemsuo team na say papa.
Yes, that's it. I had them say your feet, so as time goes on, you be doing come on. Guy, time I know, but that's say or joining my doing come on.